Hey there and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video I'll show you how to download VMware Workstation 17 Pro for free. As you might know, the Pro version of VMware recently became free for personal use. It's quite a complicated process to download the Pro version of VMware, but I'll take you through it step by step. Start by opening your browser and do a Google search for the Broadcom support portal. The best result should be support.broadcom.com, and you can click on the link to open the web page. On the next page, click on the Register button. On the next page, enter your email address and enter the text as shown in the image, then click on Next. Now you'll need to verify your email address. To do that, go to your emails and look for the email sent to you by Broadcom. Copy the one-time PIN and paste it into the field on the Broadcom support portal web page. Next, click on Verify and Continue. On the next page, you need to complete your registration by supplying some personal information and creating a password. After completing the fields with your preferred details, click on the checkbox to accept the terms of use, and then click on Create Account. Now you should be registered successfully. Scroll down on this page and click on I'll do it later. On the next page, click on the Login button. Now enter your email address that you used to sign up with earlier and click on Next. On the next page you might need to select the Remember Me checkbox and then click on Next again. Now enter the password that you created earlier and click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, just close any prompts. Now you need to click on this icon up here and select Enterprise Software. On the next page, do a search for VMware Workstation Pro. You should get this result. Click on it to open it. On the next page, scroll down to Section 4. There will be two links, one is the documentation link and the other is the download link. Make sure you click on the download link. On the next page, you must choose the free version of VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows or Linux. I'll download it for Windows and then select the latest available release. On the next page, you must accept the terms and then you can click on this download icon here. Now you'll be required to enter more information about yourself. Fill out all of the fields with your preferred details and make sure that you've agreed to the terms. Next, click on Submit. You'll be taken back to the previous page where you can click on the same download button again. Click on it to start the download for VMware Workstation Pro. Once the download is finished, click on the file to start the installer. Go through the setup process as shown on screen, or select your own settings as per your preferences. Once it's done, click on Finish. Now open VMware Workstation Pro from the desktop shortcut. You'll be prompted to enter a license key, but like I explained before, it's now free for personal use. So just click on the option to use it for personal use and then click on Continue. Now you know how to get the Pro version of VMware Workstation for free. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.